Everyone talks about how artificial intelligence could solve all the problems in the world. That may be true, but at the core of AI, it can do two things. It can automate repetitive tasks by basically predicting outcomes on data that has been labeled by human beings. This is especially true of images and audio files. We're currently training lots and lots of algorithms to recognize images, to transcribe audio. That's essentially how Siri and Alexa work. Those things basically automate what human beings can do. They don't do any better than human beings. What we do is we hope that they'll do as well as human beings so we can automate those tasks. What we're also able to do is train algorithms to enhance human decision-making. So if we move past human labels and we think about training algorithms based on outcomes like stock return or fraud or claims or ROI for marketing, what we can actually do is help do better than the human beings by offering up information trained on millions and billions of data points that no human being would ever really be able to understand.